Welcome to Boundary Ford, located 2502 50th Ave, Lloydminster, Border City. Today we're looking at this beautiful pre-owned 2020 Ford Explorer ST. The exterior color is white, and under the hood is a 3-liter V6 engine paired to a 10-speed automatic transmission. At the front, we have automatic headlamps as well as fog lamps, and over to the side, we have 19-inch alloy wheels with Goodyear tires, as well as color-matched handles and black mirror caps. This 2020 Explorer also comes with a remote start, as well as an engine block heater. At the rear, we have a power lift tailgate, as well as a rear camera with reverse sensing systems. At the interior, we have drive and lift feature tuned power locks, power windows, as well as mirror settings and door storage. Making our way to the cabin, you'll see our lovely black leather seating with adjustments located on the side, as well as our lumbar support. Over our steering column, we have our automatic headlamp settings, as well as a tilt steering wheel, our cruise control option on the left, and a medium hatch option on the right, which is above being a rearview mirror along with our cabin lighting. Looking forward to this 2020 Explorer, you can see it has 80,150 kilometers on it, as well as over our center face, you'll see options available such as our home, audio, phone integration, navigation, application, and settings, which is below being a climate control area, which provides air conditioning and heating for the entire cabin. Alongside that, we have heated seats, cooling seats, and a heated steering wheel. If there are any more questions on this beautiful pre-owned 2020 Ford Explorer ST, then please do not hesitate to contact our friendly and professional sales staff. We look forward to seeing you in store and answering any questions you may have. Thank you for shopping here with us at Boundary Ford.